Authorities reopened the historic Al-Nouri Grand Mosque in Mosul on Monday after years of large-scale restoration, supported by United Arab Emirates and UNESCO under the Revive the Spirit of Mosul initiative. Let's take a look.
The renovation restored the mosque's courtyard, corridors, dome, mihrab and ablution fountain, as well as the iconic Al-Hadba minaret, which had been reduced to rubble during battles with ISIS in 2016 to 2017. Imam Dakir al-Hassawi noted that the mosque, a landmark with more than 8 centuries of history, was revived thanks to support from the UAE and the dedication of local workers. Ali Salem, head of heritage at the Nineveh Antiquities Inspectorate, explained that the minaret was rebuilt from scratch with over 28,000 original bricks, carefully documented and recovered from the ruins. The reopening marks a milestone in Mosul's post-war recovery and the preservation of one of Iraq's most significant cultural and religious sites.